In ACDSee Photo Studio Ultimate, there are several ways to add types of layers. When I open an image in edit mode, the base layer is by default the image that I selected. The base layer will always share the same name as the image that you navigated to in manage mode. The first type of layer that I want to discuss will be intimately familiar to most users who enjoy edit mode. This type is called an adjustment layer. Adjustment layers are added using this panel that appears on the right side of the user interface near the bottom. There are 24 icons in total that, when clicked, add a type of layer called an adjustment layer. Adjustment layers can be edited at any point and are non-destructive when you save the file as an ACDSee file type. Note that I can click away and re-click on the adjustment to edit the layer. The next type of layer is a blank layer. Blank layers, by default, contain no pixel information. So when you add one, using the little plus icon beneath the layer panel, a new layer will emerge that has no features. I'll hide these other two layers using the eye icon to illustrate this. The way that ACDSee previews the lack of pixel information is by using this checkerboard pattern. Blank layers can be filled with pixel information. Two obvious ways of doing so would be to use the Fill Bucket tool or to use the Brush tool. Note that when I brush, the blank layer thumbnail changes, and I can unhide the other layers to showcase this change. The third type of layer is a duplication of an existing layer. I can select my base layer, the adjustment layer, or even the blank layer with a dot in it, and simply click the duplicate icon that appears on the bottom of my layer panel. By doing so, the layer will become copied. A copied layer is placed above the source in the layer panel. Any layer, including copies, can be rearranged on the layer panel. Rearranging layers will impact image priority. The fourth type of layer is a selection copy. I'm going to delete all my other layers other than my base image layer to illustrate. I will use the selection brush and make a selection of the center of my image. Notice that the red selection overlay appears. This just means that I have an active selection. I'm going to click Ctrl-C to copy and then Ctrl-V to paste. When I do so, notice that my selection becomes a copied element that I am instructed to move over my canvas. Click Commit once you've placed your image to finalize its location. The fifth and final type of layer is a new image layer. A new image layer can be added to your layer order by clicking and dragging from the film strip. Here I'll drag this image onto the layer panel. When I do so, I will be instructed to move and reshape my image. Click Commit to place the image. To search for an image that is not contained within your film strip, simply click this Add a File as a Layer icon. This will bring up a search window that allows you to refine your image selection. And here I'll add a new layer. In summary, ACDSee's edit mode contains the ability to add adjustment layers, blank layers, duplication of existing layers, copies of content from other layers, or in this case, brand new image layers.